Look at you! What are you doing? Kenny, she's playing like she's a young dog. Look at her. Are you gonna poop on camera? She's not very bashful. So we're gonna start today in the front. I have put up a big now hiring sign. If you're somewhere in the world without a job and you don't suck, give Nomadic Cooling a call. Maybe we'll hire you. It's a great place to work. We have drinks in the fridge. We have healthcare, dental, vision. What else do we got? We have puppies, Kenny. You can bring your puppies. Second thing I want to mention to you is that if you buy air conditioners from us and you're a van builder, you haven't sent me a hat. Only ACI Vans has sent me a hat. Everybody else, get on the ball and send me a hat. I'm wearing my Freedom Van Go shirt today because they are the only people who send me free shirts. And if it's a free shirt or a free hat, I will wear it. So if you're a van builder, please send me a hat. I need accoutrements, Kenny. I need the accoutrements. Let's go inside. Let's go into the shop. Let's see exactly what's going on. It's Friday. Jake's got his Happy Friday shirt on. You always know it's Friday at Nomadic Cooling when Jake has his Happy Friday shirt on. It's looked cleaner in here, I'm not gonna lie to you. But come on in, I wanna show you guys something that we've been working on for the last couple of weeks, which is why we haven't made a whole lot of videos. This is our new Nomadic Cooling video stage. What do they call these things? Sound stage? Our stage, some sort of a stage. Well, this is where it's all gonna happen. This whole room will eventually become a sound stage for nothing but YouTube videos. We are in the beginning process of getting this set up so that we can do nothing but electrical videos coming up. We are gonna focus solely on that. We have had so many vehicles come into our shop with just the most horrendous electrical system. Carpentry looks perfect, electrical looks terrible. And let me just tell you, if it looks terrible, it means it's not very safe. So we are gonna be pushing out a lot of content, focusing on safety with your electrical system. So get prepared for that, it'll be right behind me. And the third thing we're really excited to share with you is our new Black Shrouds. So come on in, Kenny. Everybody saw a few weeks ago the white shrouds that we have here, the new Nomadic covers, white all the way through with the Nomadic logo embossed and on top. But Kenny, look at her. She's beautiful, Kenny. Take a little gander at the new Nomadic Cooling in black all the way through. It's not painted, the plastic is actually black. Aerodynamic, Nomadic name on the top. It's everything you've always wanted, Kenny. But what I really want to focus on, not just the looks, is underneath the air conditioner, the new mounting attachments that we added probably within the last month. They're more secure. It's an improvement on the design for sure. What we're always trying to do is take what we have and then make it better. Sometimes the progress is slow. I get that. But two huge improvements coming up. Our next improvement that we're gonna be showing you guys, not out yet, is our new color touchscreen control panel that is going to be brilliant. It's a 4.3 in the front and a 5.2 in the back, I believe. So once that comes out in the next couple months, we will share that with you as well. But for right now, I just want to show you the new black, the new white, the new mounting bolts. And remember guys, if you want to go further in comfort, go further in comfort with the new Black Shroud and your Nomadic Cooling air conditioner. Ready? How we do?